You're cleaning up the kitchen, you know?
Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon. Yes, this is Bami speaking. Who am I speaking with? Okay, good afternoon, Dr. Smith. How may I help you? Yes, no problem. Okay, Angel!
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I could go take a walk and come back. Hi.
Hey.
What's your name? I'm Bami. Why are you crying?
I'm Naomi. My mom got evicted. She don't have no money and I'm all alone. I don't have anything at all.
Well, you know, we lost our mom this morning. Also.
What?
Yes, but we have a house. You can come and stay with us. This is my little sister Angel.
What? I don't have any clothes, no money. What am I going to do?
That's okay. You still can come and stay with us.
My gosh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, come on. You know, we don't have any other family member to turn to. It's just we alone with mommy have.
It's gonna be okay. I'm here now. I'm here now. It's okay. I don't even have any money to buy bag juice.
Yeah, sound good though.
No, it's been a really depressing day.
What happened today?
Well, I'm evicted, but she's helping me out, and her mom died.
I can relate to that, you know, but you know that I'm walking home or something because not too want to live on the road by himself, isn't it?
Alright, no problem.
I want anything though.
No, I don't have any money.
No,
Nothing.
just give him a banana.
Thanks.
Hold on to this. So which person is?
Just right now. Where will it?
Yeah, next one.
Yeah, man.
Say how do you do?
Alright, now you just see me eat a bag juice and a banana chips. So you mean?
What's one thing?
Well, alright, so far what me want to know is how much for one bag juice?
20 for one bag juice, but you can come around and get it free, man.
Yeah? So, how much bag juice I sell a day?
About 15 bag a day, man.
And that's a one. Money around, money around.
That one.
Alright.
Naomi?
One second.
Yeah, man, that's how it
What you doing? Well, you don't know, say we don't have no money. He must sell bag juice and bag juice are hot bread, you know. We don't have time for this. But we can get at least $5 grand a day from him and we can pay the bills. What do you mean? Well, I'm not up for this, but okay.
Alright.
Just hurry up and come back inside, alright? Yeah, man, yeah, man.
You can't like get a number and thing.
Well, you like me?
Nah, for about the partner man, just a number now. You see?
Alright. Seat here. Seat.
Ah,
So,
thanks.
bad juice.
Yeah, dude.
You're not going home?
Not two number no woman because one room at night time I have with my brother them you see me and not two a work or with you, you see.
We? Who is we?
Two brother them and Jazzy G from where people, you see me.
Oh, so what happened to your parents?
Them get murdered some months ago.
Well, since it's hard for everybody right now, we have an extra room inside. You can come and stay with us.
You go talk to them about it, you see me and see what them have to say about it, but thanks though, I like that. You see me?
Okay, no problem. Just hurry up and you guys come back and we get something, alright?
Yeah, super.
Where get it from?
We get some new things, so that's all old things
That
there.
one me gonna young and I come out here to sell.
Big up a big bear myself too. Yeah.
One too young.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Why not your cell phone? When
you
you're
get-
supposed to be in school.
We get new gadgets, so yourself the old one name.
What you mean I get new gadgets so not sell the old one them?
We get some new gadgets, so we sell the old one and make money.
Why we no need to make money? Why we not little people why not they on road and sell them something here? I don't understand. Where's the adult?
They're at the hospital, so we have to get hospital money. We get some money for.
You guys have to sell things to pay on the mother hospital bill?
Yes.
But you guys are babies.
We got what they sell.
But well, I can't buy anything from you guys. You got to go and get your bigger brother or your father or somebody and then you can come back to me because I really want to help you. Because I don't like to see you guys on the street. You guys should be in school.
Alright.
So you guys go and get them and take them to me and I'll see what I can do for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want to see you guys on the road. So go and get your bigger brother and take him to me and let me talk about this thing that you guys doing. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright, go on.
I never tell them stay a park you. Never tell them to stay. Where you do that? Where you mean? Someone never there come back. Which woman that?
Come.
What hand there? Hello, good afternoon. Bag juice, man. Okay. Bag juice, man.
You know I sent them to call you guys.
Yeah.
How on earth you guys allow them to come out here and sell phone and tablet and all these things? I don't understand what's going on. Where are your parents?
Miss tell her truth, parents died 3 months ago, but couldn't find it to tell themselves the parents is dead, so kind of tell themselves in bed the hospital.
So how are you guys coping? Where you live? What's going on with that?
We kind of get a house to stay now around the orphanage, house free, Black 4. So yeah, my dad come for them to bring them there still.
Where's the address? Because I want to help you guys, and I really want to. I don't like to see you guys on the street like this. And they're selling tablets and selling phones. Where they get those things? Sure, you guys don't steal it because I wouldn't like to hear that you guys are stealing. You know you can lose a life for this. And they can be kidnapped.
We're not so sure if them steal it, but we know so we have like a little storage over there. So we did have them when your parents them did there, so yeah.
Oh.
We kind of sell them off. And we still keep some food self because we send them go look at online school and things.
So
yeah.
why they selling them? They should be using it to go to school.
No, them have them personal one. We don't have to worry about that. Them government.
Okay, I won't be buying any of these stuff though. But I would like to come by at the orphanage where you say you're staying and donate something or so to that person. So you can give me the address. You can write down the address on this.
Right down that
So
address.
I can get to come by and bring some stuff for you guys, okay? So, you don't need to come out the road before. Alright. I'll be coming by sometime next week to come and check on you guys, okay?
Cool.
Yes,
So you need to go back in now before night.
Alright, have a good day, man.
Alright.
So you hear me I say, no?
We need enough money today, now,
You
brother.
see me? I'm gonna think we make more than we. You see me? I say,
No, we make
this will
more
make
than
it-
you.
Wait a
Look
minute.
here.
I want to get that.
Brother, who wanna go? Who wanna go teeth them something? Yeah?
Who for win down the jump through?
What did I make one?
Yeah,
Who wanna get them, yeah?
brand new gadgets, brother.
Who no thief still, you know?
Brother, man, them actually gonna make more money than with my youth.
No joke, Virgin.
Dog.
So what on there? Go sell all of them, yeah?
Let's keep them in.
Yeah, keep them. Might as sell where you sell them.
So
You
we
see
have
me?
to
I
sell
say?
them, brother. We are gonna need the money.
True.
What do
See me, I say, no? Want to rack up this and go in our house. But just know that this is one place and enough for thief from and them things there. Just pack up on the things and go on and sound the name, have manners and them things there, and do me thing.
Go through.
Wow.
So, the money around it. So, that's straight up between all of it.
You better.
Yeah, brother.
Let me tell you that.
Hear me. Stop it. Hear me, sir. See place there, see me. Some more than life gonna do. No
Yeah,
teething.
for
Hey,
yourself, brother.
focus now,
No
focus now.
teething,
Look
none
for
of
me now.
that.
Look for me now. No time for that. You see me? No teething, no nothing. Do what for do. Listen, you see me I say?
If you do none of
No
that, we
see
are
nothing
get
and
kicked
take
out
it
again,
on the
brother.
house. You see me? Last home this way. You see me? Last home from planet Earth. No mess it up. You see me I say? Just listen. Especially Town, YouTube, Bill off hygiene and them things. You see me?
Yeah, that.
Don't do no foolishness. Just go on. Mommy! Mommy!
Someone's calling?
No, I can't brother them.
Oh, it's Bad Juice. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you guys doing?
Hey, have manners the goat.
And what's your name, sir? Slicky? Okay, you guys can come inside and I'll show you the rest. So, Bad Juice, Jazzy, Slicky, Tommy. This is Naomi and Angel. Angel and Naomi, this is Tommy and Slicky, Jazzy and Bad Juice. So guys, welcome home, and the room on the left is for the girls and the room on the right is for the boys. Also, the bathroom is right this way. I do not want at any times the boys in the girls' room. So now you guys can go and take a shower and we gather back around the table to get something to eat.
hear me I say, you first go be you see me I say, and then
What
you
are you
next,
for
you see.
bed with?
We are talk about, as a, you stop your talking and go be the little brother, you see me? Take out your things and go be the little brother, yeah. You're not chatting with me. Hurry up now.
After them, me for go bed.
Yeah man, just do your thing man.
I know.
You must hurry up now. Take out your things out of your suitcase, youth. I'm bathing good, yeah? Alright. She go.
Yes,
No,
you sure?
I'm sure. Everything government.
What do I do?
Hey boy, come on man,
Lentil!
you chat too much.
Lentil! Back to Naomi, then in the room.
What?
Back to Naomi.
Back to Naomi. I told everyone that they should stay in their own rooms. What are you doing in here? I don't even want to hear. Go back to your room. Everybody go back. Everybody go back. I am going to call Amina in the morning. Everybody go back to bed. I need to talk to you guys. Naomi, Angel, I need to have a meeting with you guys. Please, everybody take a seat. Just a quick meeting. Because I need to address some matters and everybody needs to get the rules straight. Alright. You guys need to get the rules straight. And I do not, and I said this last night, I do not want the boys in the girls' room. Bag juice?
Yeah, I get it.
I do not want you guys. And also, I don't want any social worker coming knocking on gates saying, children, I don't want anybody come complaining about you guys. Right? Remember, we don't have anybody else, so we have to stick with each other.
Mommy?
Somebody call me over?
Yeah.
Hello?
Can I have a word with you, please?
1 moment.
Hello? Anyone inside?
1 minute.
Good afternoon. Are you Bami?
Yes, I am. And you are?
I am a social worker. I'm here to do some investigation about some boys I met on the road the other day. And they said you're running an orphanage, so can I come inside?
Yes, you may. Come right inside.
So, I am Miss Smith, and you are Bami.
Yes, I am.
I got some report, and I also met some young boys, about 4 of them. They gave me an address that they were living here, and you're running an orphanage.
Yes, I am.
I am in the system, and I was searching for it, and I have no documents of this.
Please take a seat 1 minute. I'll go get the papers and come back to you.
Okay, I'll do just that.
So, here are my papers.
I have to go through this thoroughly because first I need to know the amount of occupants that's in the room, how it's situated, when you guys were registered, who is the owner of the house, and stuff like that. So first, walk me through
Actually,
how many persons are living here, how many bedrooms, and stuff like that.
Actually, my mom passed away, and there are currently 7 of us living here. I'm the oldest,
Okay.
and as you see, our documents are here. We are
So
registered
much.
legally,
Okay.
and you know,
So you're registered legally. So you are the eldest, and how old are you? And this is your birth certificate?
yes, it is.
And this is the registration of the business?
Yes, it is.
So it's the official orphanage. Something familiar is on your birth paper though.
Meaning?
Your name. That's on your birth paper. Have you ever looked on your birth paper before?
I don't get what you're trying to say.
Were you adopted?
Yes, I was.
Do you know who your biological mother is?
No.
I have been searching for you
Searching for me? Why?
for over 20 years.
Why is that so? What?
I am your biological mom.
What?
I know you have questions, and I'm willing to answer them.
No.
And I hope you find it in your heart to forgive me. I was young. I got raped, and I could not afford to keep you, so I gave you up for adoption. Can you find it in your heart to forgive me? And I'll help you in every way to organize and put everything in order for this to become a safe and stable environment for you and the kids. I'm so proud of you. And please tell me that you will forgive me and you will allow me to be the mom, because now that your mom has passed on, I would love to pick up that slot and be a part of your life. Can you please find it in your heart to forgive me?
Wow. This is some shocking news. I do forgive you.
I must say though, some of the boys are going to be in big trouble because I think one that goes by the name of Slicky had stolen my phone, and it's government property, and if they don't have it and I can't find it, I'm sure I'm gonna have to move them from this compound and place them into the system.
We'll go inside and deal with them.
Okay, I'll love to do that. I was telling you guys that I was going to pay a visit. I'm glad to see that you guys finally find somewhere. But I have a problem. One of you guys stole my phone. And the closest person to me was you. So where's my phone, young man? Because if you don't have my phone, I'm going to have to remove you from this orphanage and put you somewhere else. That's government's property.
How far our phone at thief?
Hey boy, no, they just...
See it here, miss.
Are you guys going to continue with this behavior? Do you want me to separate you guys?
No.
There are guidelines and rules if you're going to be here. So I'd hope for everybody to follow the guidelines. And I hope you can show me the rooms and show me stuff. But for now, I'm going to set up things, and I'm so glad to have you back in my life. So I'm going to set up everything, and I'll come back to see you later.
Okay.
And please, guys, stay off the street. No more stealing. And be careful. Bye-bye.